I'm going to show you how to s2kp. s2kp stands for slip 2, knit 1, pass slip stitches over. It's also known as a centered double decrease. That's because it's worked over 3 stitches that decrease down to 1 stitch, 1 centered stitch. You can see on the swatch here I've worked quite a few rows with a s2kp in the middle of my swatch. You'll also know I have a removable stitch marker marking the last s2kp I worked. I'm going to work up into 1 stitch before this center column and show you how to s2kp. A lot of patterns will tell you to mark the column, the center column, with a removable stitch marker. And then you're told to work up to 1 stitch before that marked stitch. So that's what I'm doing right now. So here's my, the marked column, marked stitch right here, and I'm 1 stitch before it. And now I'm ready to s2kp. So to s2kp, you take the tip of your right needle and you insert it into both of these stitches at the same time, knitwise, from front to back. And you just slip them off that left needle. Then you knit 1. Then use the tip of your left needle to pick those slip stitches up. You can do this either 1 stitch at a time or both together. And you're going to just pull them over that knit stitch and off the right needle. Then what you want to do is take your removable stitch marker and move it up, if the pattern indicates, but that's how you do it if it does. I'm going to show you one more time how to s2kp. Right now I'm working up to 1 stitch before my marked stitch, and here I am. You insert your needle knitwise into 2 stitches, slip them off of the left needle, knit 1, use the tip of that left needle to pick those slip stitches up, take them over the knit stitch and off the right needle. And that is how you s2kp, or do a centered double decrease.